Okay, magandang umaga po sa ating mga manonood. Nandito po tayo ngayon sa Q Plaza and right now we are live watching Amit Cup Season 4 leg number 2. At ang naglalaban po ng mga kaibigan natin dito, no, si Mara Parsha at si Madam Terry Reyes. Ayan. So I think the first rack won by Mara Parsha, putting her score at 2 points. Dito po sa laban na to, it's Mara Parsha ang tumatanggap po ng +1. So sa mga viewers nanonood, ayan, magandang umaga. Maraming salamat if you're tuning in. This will be eventually shared on the Amit Cup page. Please do follow para masubaybayan po natin yung mga updates when it comes to the Amit Cup tournaments na ginaganap sa iba't ibang mga bilyaran currently ngayon. Mostly nandito sa east side, Marikina, Cainta, ayan. So, from what I know, 3 bilyaran sa Marikina, they are live as well there, or hindi pala lahat naka-live. Meron sa Sunrise Billiards, nandyan yan sa Hill Fernando. And of course, the novice division and at the same time the advanced division kung saan magagaling yung mga player dun, no? Mga matataas ang panira. They are located at Vector Billiards, also at Hill Fernando. Currently, ginagamit din, no, yung bilyaran ng ating kaibigan na si Doc June Villon, Kiss Ball. Meron din tayong mga intermediate level yata na doon naglalaro. So, 4 venues including here. We are live at Q Plaza. Kaya maraming salamat din sa Q Plaza for allowing Amit Cup to host the event here sa kanilang magandang bilyaran. AMF Puyat, no, ang lugar na to. So of course, we would like to acknowledge and say thanks to our sponsors. Major sponsor, Predator Pool Cues. Ayan, yung mga nanalo nung Grand Finals, that was last season. So, about a year ago, nanalo po sila ng Predator Pool Cue. Sa pagkakaalala ko, si Reyna nanalo dun sa Advanced Division. She won a P3 na pula along with the Revo shaft. Ayan, higit pa dun, cash prize. So talagang napakaganda ng sponsorship na hinahandog ng Predator dito. Na napunta sa kaibigan ko, no? Na nanunood din nung binili niya. Anyway, so Predator Pool Cues, maraming salamat. Of course, our partners, Q Plaza Bowling and Billiards, Buko Beach Resorts, Mez Cues, MEBC, Metro East Billarista Club, and Kadiliman Esports Cafe. Maraming salamat. And shoutout po sa mga kaibigan nanonood. Dito po naka-live pero i-share din to sa Amit Cup Billiard page. Yan. Shoutout kay Ma'am Janice. Good morning and wishing luck to Mara Parsha. Of course, ang matibay na kaibigan na si Jack Vialu. Magandang umaga. Maya-maya makikita mo, masisipat mo si Kenneth Lim. Currently refereeing sa ilang matches dito. And of course, Brian Idol Chua. Maraming salamat. And cash in si Mr. Rocas. Magandang umaga po. I'll try to keep you company and hopefully maging masaya yung ating araw panunood, no? Ayan. So this is the second rack. May +1 po na panalo si Mara Parsha. I believe she won the first rack. Puts her with 2 points. Dito po sa Q Plaza currently, 48 players are assigned to compete today. So out of the 48 players, from my understanding, mangangalahati yan, then mababawasan pa, no? So a double knockout format for the qualifying round. Double knockout. Pag nangalahati po ang 48 players, 24 ang natira, we proceed with the single knockout format. So all in all, a player who keeps on winning will have to win 3 matches today. And with 3 matches, she advances to the next day. Yan po ay gaganapin bukas. So by tomorrow, hindi na po yata tayo dito sa Q Plaza. From what I know, sa Vector Billiards na po tayo magkakaroon ng final day. And doon po lahat-lahat maglalaban yung tatlong iba't ibang division. The novice, the intermediate, and of course, the advanced division. Oh, that was a very unfortunate role para kay Miss Terry. Okay, Mrs. Terry, no? But let's just use the Miss, keeping it simple. Madam Terry Reyes, ayan. And syempre nanunood din ng kanyang may bahay, no? Ang kanyang asawa na si Boss RJ Reyes. Well, it's looking like Amara gusto yatang itago itong pumato, no? So she's gonna use that. Ay, nagbago ang diskarte. Probably she's gonna play a stop ball here in the 6. Leave that cue ball behind the 7. Yung 7 natin is a different color. Yan yung mga, anong tawag dito sa bola na to? Cyclops balls. Baka ganun ang diskarte niya, no? And I can say it too loud. Baka marinig niya, gayahin niya. Ayan si Petot. Magandang umaga, Mr. Petot. Brian Santos, idol. Okay, she had a good try there. Apparently, hindi tumago. Ayan, by the way, this is the first match for these ladies. So, lahat to medyo sa tingin ko nilalamig pa, no? I mean, they're all the air of tension is pretty high here kasi lahat sila syempre they're all vying to claim that title being the champion of Amit Cup. And a very nice jersey by the way. So, acknowledgements dyan sa mga gumawa ng jersey. At napakaganda, no? Nakalagay. Predator. Para sa mga predator people. Mga mahilig sa pred cues. Ayan na po. You'd probably hear in the background, medyo mayroong nagbo-bowling dyan. So, nasa likod po natin, no? Again, a very nice place here. AMF Puyat, dito sa Q Plaza. Bowling and Billiards. Napakatagal na nito. And good to mention, no, ang aming grupo na Metro East Billarista Club. A group, a community that we started back in 2016 is now 10 years and it all started here. So although syempre mga ibang members and mga players, friends, participants dun sa ating mga palaro galing sa iba't iba pang mga lugar like Quezon City, galing pa ng Pasig, galing pa ng Makati, bihira na no makabisita dito sa Q Plaza, gawa na nga ng napakaraming bilyaran na bumukas dito sa NCR. Alam natin yan. A lot of pool halls have been open and of course, dispersed na. Pero ganun pa man, dito sa Q Plaza, maganda pa rin. And ang pinakamaganda para sa ngayong summer na to, malamig po dito. They have heavy duty air conditioners na ramdam ko naman bagong linis. Ayan sa mga nanonood, no, shout out dito kay Enrico Yoinco, the ethanol engine. Well, that's a score para kay Terry Reyes. So she was pretty fortunate, sumablay si Maradon. And of course, with that, she sinks the 9 and she has her first point. J 2-1. Muli, binabati ko po kayo, no? Magandang umaga. It's about lunchtime now, and if you're having your lunch, happy lunchtime. Sorry na. Tito Jokers. Anyway, again, the match is between Terry Reyes and Mara Parsha. Mara with a +1 handicap dito sa ating race to 6. Yung dati kong professor. Gusto kong batiin. I think if you're watching right now, Sir Vic. Ayan, magandang tanghali. Nabanggit pala sa akin ni Kuya Jun, ni Doc Jun, na one time nung nabisita ako sa bilyaran niya sa Kiss Ball, bumisita daw kayo doon. Ayan. So, nice to see you kahit dito po sa ating live stream. Sir Vic. Ay, what a shot. Another bad roll para kay Terry. Nice kick shot. Mala Efren Reyes. Nasa apelyido naman, nasa pangalan. Kaya lang, walang S, walang swerte. And in the words of my good friends sa Sharks Billiards Association, AJ Ong, 3 balls away. Therefore, it's safe to say. Ayan, thanks for the comment, Sir Vic. Hope to see you very soon dyan sa bilyaran ni Doc Jun, no? Minsan nakakabisita ako, but given the schedule, mga ginagawa, no? Once a week is, teka lang, watch the 9. Yun lang, no? So, for the second time in this match, itong si Mara Parsha has left this 9 ball. And there you go, it goes in. Score now is 2 apiece. So Terry Reyes, medyo may S dyan, no? Ay, ang mahirap dito, maya-mayang konti, iinit na ang tira niya ni Terry Reyes. Mag-iingat si Mara dyan. Ayan, shout out sa ating viewers, no, mga bagong dating. Si Ace Vialu, ang kambal ni Jack. Kanina ba nanonood si Jack? Parang nagpabati yan eh. Anyway, nabati sa Safe to Say. Works all the time. Di ba? So, kidding aside, ang galing lang ng timing ng Safe to Say niyan. Again, itong Amit Cup is mainly sponsored by Predator Cues. So, pagdating ng Grand Finals, which will be concluded after a series of legs, magkakaroon tayo ng Grand Finals, which probably would be held 2 to 3 months later after this leg. Yun ang maraming mga prizes. Doon lalabas ang napakagandang Predator Pool Cues. Shout out kay Nelski, Ronel Likup. Ayan, nasan ka, brother? Andito si si Ate Sabi. Hindi pa naman naglalaro. Nice pocketing there for Mara Parsha. A long way from the 7 to the 8. Medyo malayo-layo ang tatahakin nitong pamato ni Mara Parsha. Ayan. Nice shot. Just a little too close to the rail for her cue ball. Pero still a very makeable 8. Ayan na po. Ayan, bibisita dito mamaya ang asawa ni Sabi. At pag bumisita ka, Nel, pasalubong ayan, finally 9-ball in para kay Mara. So once again taking the lead dito sa ating laban. And this time nahulog po ang kanyang 9-ball. Great shot. Okay, we have referees here. They're here to officiate, to make judgment calls kapag kailangan. Whenever there are crucial situations or critical shots, binabantayan yan. Our official referee sa ating live table is no other than J. Ryder, Sweet Lover. Ayan. Yan ang house pro dito sa Q Plaza. Mabanggit ko lang, no? Good to share. Allow me. Si J. Ryder ay nagpapa-WTA dito. I believe that is every Friday's CPBC na tuloy-tuloy pa rin, no? Ilang taon na rin yan. Kasi nung mga pandemic time pa lang. Ayan, ginaganap na ni J. Ryder yan dito. So, going strong para sa CPBC Group. May gusto sana ako subukan na application, no? Kaya lang, baka mahilo kayo. Pero let's see if it will work. Meron kasi itong features. Let's see, ha. Kanina ko pa gusto subukan, eh. Pagka nahilo kayo, sabihan nyo lang ako. Naku, bakit naman si J Rider ang tinutukan? Nakakahilo nga. Sorry. Ayan. Pogi daw kasi kaya finokus si J Rider. Ayan. Bumabalik talaga kay Jay yung camera. Ano ba yun? Ayan, Marapar. Ay, mayat-maya talaga, oh. Ibabalik. Ititigil ko na to. Baka nahihilo na yung mga viewers natin. Sorry. Maganda yung tino mo, ah. Tino mo lang. Hindi, tino mo. Kasi yung mukha mo yun, di ba, sorry na ka na. Oo, pag nakaharap ka. Pag kumaharap ka, nagpupukas. Kaya lang, hinahanap niya yung nakahilo. Kaya, pinipili niya kung ano yun. Galing yun. Kaya lang ang nangyayari ito. Hindi, yung setting na hindi ko ginagamit. Kasi nga, fixed. Pero meron niya siyang feature na pwede ko kaligutin eh. Auto-framing kasi tawag. Hirap. Anything camera. Nabili ko mga 5. Hindi ginagamit ko. Gusto ko meron din ako isa. Pangako ko. Ayan, pasensya na kung nahilo po tayo dun sa... Ang galing kasi ng camera ko eh. Anyway, here's Terry, no? Trying her best to make that 7-ball go in, but that's pretty unfortunate again. Another miss. Wow, nice shot. Great shot there in the 7. Ayan, pinatakbo ang pamato. Grabe naman. You see the spin? That was the right shot there para kay Mara Parsia, and with that, pretty much this is safe to say. There you go. 9-ball goes in. Mara Parsia now with a significant lead. So sa race to 6, maiksi lang naman to, no? But a 2-rack lead is something you can feel comfort with. The rules are rack your own. Meron po tayong racking template. 9-ball on the spot. Winner's break format. Ayan. So the conventional rules of 9-ball pool. chismisan nyo dyan, baka marinig ha. Lakasan nyo pa. Ayan, may mga kaibigan tayo sa likod, no? Pwede, pwede. That was a nice shot there. Got it closer to the 2. I think a safety is required here para kay El Terrible. Terry. Ay! Aba! Caught me off guard. Ang ganda nung tinira niya doon, no? Kasing ganda ni Madam Terry. What a shot. Grabe. Oops. Wanna get past the 8. Yun lang, no? Or bump the 8 sana. Anyway, congratulate ko pala, no? Sila Terry and RJ Reyes for putting up their own pool hall. Ayan, located sa bandang Fairview area. Lucky 8 sa may bandang Dahlia, no? And pag bilyarista ka nga naman talaga, one of your dreams is to have your own pool hall business. And para sa kanila, no, para sa inyo, Terry and RJ, congratulations. More power sa inyong bilyaran. Lucky 8. Well, that was a good run para kay Terry. Unfortunately, she's gonna have to surrender for now dito sa mga plano ni Mara. Tingnan natin yung gagawin niya. A safety? Okay, not quite safe. Oh, teka lang. Lunch is served. Maraming salamat sa Q Plaza. AMF Puyat, Q Plaza Bowling and Billiards. Nako. After this match, magkakaroon po ako ng lunch break. Medyo hindi pa lang napapaboran dito si Terry Reyes, no? But thus far, she is fighting back. Lumalaban pa rin. Bakit teka, nagpaparamdam Mr. Norman Rosas. Ayan, Norms. Intermediate lang tayo dito sa ating Q Plaza games or matches. You can watch her matches in case hinahanap mo yung idol na si Sofia Rosales, no? Baka nando dun sa kabilang live stream. Binulgar na kita. Nagsisi datingan na ang mga players, no? Dumadami na yung tao dito sa Q Plaza and it's very nice to see. Sobrang saya. Isang magandang araw para sa billiards community, especially para sa ladies. Double clutching here, that is Terry Reyes. She's finding herself with some problems kasi na diretso niya yata tong 8 ball. And of course, anytime you're gonna have to put a lot of force, a lot of spin, things may go wrong. Diingat lang siya, no? Anyway, wala naman po tayong shot clock. It's easy to make the 8, but getting good shape here for the 9, that's gonna be the problem. Went for the 9. Wow. What a shot. Dugong Efren Reyes to. Terry Reyes. Well, that has to boost her confidence, Terry Reyes, kasi at this point, both players have just won 3 racks each. Mara Parsia may +1, kaya nakakalamang pa siya ng 4, ay ng 1 puntos. Dagdag kumpiyansa yun, no? Para medyo pumasok ang drive dito ni Terry Reyes. Muli, no, magandang tanghali na. Ayan, it's 12:12. Parang Lazada lang, no? Anyway, that was a 3-foul rule implemented against Mara Parsha. Terry Reyes winning that rack. Playing really tight safeties there. But this time, she scratches off her break. Okay. So we have Terry Reyes and Mara Parsha. Sila po naglalaban ngayon. In this race to 6 match, Terry Reyes has gained the advantage of taking away that handicap na +1 ni Mara.
Dalia Riosa, Ali Velasco, Pizuchelo, Joey Gracia, Juan Domingo, Erwin Gaston, Grace Recoman, Ate Adubra,
Ayan.
Tatiana, Dalgado, Pearl Adona, Starling, Sammy Villasegal, and Natalie Pang.
Matches are being announced. So standby yung mga players, names na tinawag. Apparently, most players, if not all, are already here. Just waiting for their matches to be assigned on certain tables. Right now, match on hand. Again, it's Terry versus Mara dito po sa Q Plaza. Rizal, ang galing, no? Tuwing na lang dito ako pumupunta, ang dami kong dinadaan ng mga lugar. Pasig, nakakarating ako ng Rizal, and then pag pauwi na ako, nakakadaan din ako ng Marikina. Kaya maraming salamat po, no, sa partner natin na si Q Plaza Bowling and Billiards. Dito po yan sa Felix Avenue. Anyway, katapat ng isa pang mall dito. And of course, thank you mainly sa ating principal sponsor, that is Predator Pool Cues. Magandang sponsorship yan, at pagdating sa Grand Finals, you would expect a really nice cue to be handed out sa ating magiging eventual winner in the Grand Finals. That would be after the series of legs dito sa ating Amit Cup. Shoutout din sa ating mga partners, Kadiliman Esports Cafe, Buko Beach Resorts, Mez Cues, and MEBC Metro East Billarista Club. Well, recognizing dito si Mystery, recognizing that there's no easy shot there on the 4 ball. I believe that's the 4. If you don't see it on your screens, it's just behind the black 8. So gagawa na lang niya ng paraan to, no? Well, tried to put it safe. Left it open. And once again, andun pa rin yung problema, no? That's the 4 ball and the 8 ball. Hindi pa naman ganun kadali. Oh, would you look at that? Could it be? Ginawang pain yan. Ay, isa na namang foul tree. That was pretty unfortunate. So really, things have turned around in favor of Terry Reyes dito. So with that, the score now is 5-4. Unang pumuro itong si Madam Terry Reyes. That's 3 straight racks, 1 dito kay Terry Reyes, no? And of course, watching here on the side, ang kanyang asawa na si RJ Reyes probably has to be a little bit nervous at this point. Another win that puts her in the winner's side bracket. But this is far from over. Alam naman natin, no? Ang gulong ng bola. Parang weather lang yan.
Ay, nalabas ko. Hello, standby. Gracia Rowan Domingo, standby. Trish Coma, Sara Elucas, standby.
Ayan, shoutout sa kaibigan natin na si Mr. Oben Sena. Sa Q Plaza tayo, brother, ngayon, no? Isa pang napakagandang mag-livestream nito si Mr. Oben Sena, and definitely, no, hindi kayo mababado yan. Hindi katulad ko, no? Puro mga tito jokes ang nilalabas natin dito. Ayan, kaibigang Oben Sena. Idol, magandang tanghali. Ayan, isa pa na napakagaling na player. Watching right now, I think she's watching her friends here. Ice Avila, ayan. Magandang tanghali, madam. Of course, regards kay Dom. I know he's watching. And kay Mr. Ray Gorospe, ayan, mga kaibigan natin sa naglalaro sa Magnum. Good afternoon. May atraso pa ako sa iyo, sir. Nando doon po sa bahay.
Table number 6, Trish Thomas, Sara Elucas, race 5 even. Table number 4, Joy De Gracia versus Rowan Domingo, race 5 even. Table number 8, Adi Velasco versus Pinto.
Ayan, shoutout sa pinakamagandang bilyarista sa balat ng lupa, Jazz Villones. Isa pang napakatibay na player to, no? Higit sa pinakamaganda siya. Ingat, ingat. Ito, susubukan ngayon ubusin to ni Mara Parsia. Let's see. It's obviously an open layout. And she's shooting with a really nice pace here. Mabilis, no? Bilyarista talaga. Teka lang. Oh no. I think she can still make the 5 to the side, but oh, what a shot, Mara Parsia. To make this a heel match. Probably medyo mabilis lang, no? A little too quick there, but really good effort coming from Mara Parsia. Could be the nerves. Ano yan? Ano yan? May dumadaan. Gandang pogi. Dati ganda lang eh. Gandang pogi na eh. Joy De Gracia, aking kumare, no? Shoutout mamaya pag naglaro dito yan. Dapat nanonood din si Papa Peds. Six ball in. Best chance para dito kay El Terrible. Oh, what a shot. We have a match winner. Nasaan na si RJ Reyes? Ayan, congratulations, Terry Reyes. Nice out there sa pagtira sa 9. She was down 4-2. Naidiretso niya. And would you believe she won a couple of racks via 3 fouls against Mara Parsia. Medyo mabigat to, no, para kay Mara. But she will bounce back in her later matches. Ayan. Ngiti ka naman sa camera, Madam Terry, no? Batiin mo ang iyong mga fans, Terry Ray. Ayan. Anyway, another match will be upcoming. So, maya-mayang konti, no, magko-comment na lang ako kung sino ang susunod na maglalaban dito. Again, salamat